Let's see guys how it goes. Oh, burst finish. So hey, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create a Beyblade using this guys, as you can see here, and it's actually a part of a cycle. I just got it from a cycle parts shop. So yeah, you can easily get this from a cycle parts shop where mostly cycle parts are sold. So yeah, it's actually a part of a cycle, but I don't know what it's called guys. If you know, please let me know in the comments. And actually guys, to be honest, I was supposed to create a cardboard Beyblade today, but I don't think so guys. Today's weather condition is not that much great, because you can clearly see guys, today's weather condition is not actually that much great. So yeah, not that much suitable day for me to make a cardboard Beyblade. So I've decided I will make something easier, and I will make a Beyblade using this metal part. So let's just quickly start it guys. So guys, we have a small issue here. And the issue is, you can clearly see here guys, I'm not able to lock the Beyblade with the launcher. I mean, the circular hole of the metal part is not actually large enough for the Beyblade prong to lock. So yeah, at the end guys, if I still make a Beyblade prong cut using a bottle cap and just stick it on the metal part, I will not be able to lock this Beyblade with the launcher. And at the end guys, I will not be able to spin this Beyblade. So yeah guys, ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा problem हो गया भाई. खराब हो जाएगा भाई. Just kidding guys. But still guys, I have an idea. So let me show you that. So guys, I have decided that I will attach a Beyblade prong like this one, which I have already done attaching on this Beyblade, my Blade X Beyblade. But unfortunately guys, I think I don't have any type of Beyblade prong like that. So I am out of that. So वाह क्या बात है, एक Beyblade को बनाने के लिए दूसरा Beyblade को कूटना पड़ रहा है. एक Beyblade को बनाने के लिए दूसरा Beyblade को मैंने कूट दिया. अब क्या करूँ गाइस, कंटेंट के लिए तो करना पड़ेगा. तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए. Okay guys, now it's time to do some works at the bottom. So I have many things that I can use for the bottom guys, and then at the end I will attach a performance tape, but we have to choose something for the bottom part. So yeah, I can also use this thing, and yeah, not bad guys, looking great. Wow. And I think guys, I don't even need to attach a performance tape, because already you can see a type performance tape at the bottom. But still, let's see how it looks after sticking, because I don't want this Bey to scrape in the stadium. So yeah, this is really important to do. Okay, now it's looking much better. I hope now the Bey will not gonna scrape. Today's weather condition is somehow a little bit like, you know, rainy. Okay guys, now we are going to attach a performance tape. I know the Beyblade is already having a performance tape like this one, fully attack type, but still I'm going to attach another one. So yeah guys, we are going to stick this small piece of plastic. Okay guys, now I'm going to use a little bit of M-Seal. So let me just quickly mix it guys, and I'm going to add it on front of the Beyblade, on top of this Bey, around this here, because this part is looking a little bit weird for me, not that much satisfied guys. So I'm going to add some M-Seal on top of the Bey, and yeah, it will also make the Bey a little bit heavy. So somehow guys, this Bey is going to be pretty much similar to my Blade X Bey. Okay guys, now let's just quickly put some M-Seal. Okay, so I think guys, this much M-Seal will be wasted, but still. Wow guys, not bad. With M-Seal now the Bey is looking much more better and much more thicker. And yeah, from the bottom it's metal, and from top it's M-Seal contact points. Wow, so yeah, this Bey is getting a little bit unique. And yeah guys, pretty much looking like my Blade X Beyblade, very very similar, not bad. And yeah guys, you can use super glue to give shininess on Beyblades, but it's optional. If you have super glue, then make sure to do this. I really like to do this guys, it really gives a shiny look on the Beyblade. Look at that. Here we go. Now the Bey will look much more better, and yeah, it will be more durable. The color will not come out easily. I hope you all understand. The next day. So here's our new crafted M-Seal metal Beyblade guys, just look at that. So as you know, I have also added some super glue, and now the Bey is looking much more shinier. So okay, let's see how much it weighs guys before testing. Let's go. Okay, yeah, wow, not bad guys. Yeah guys, as I had predicted, it will be definitely above 50 grams. So yeah, 54 grams, almost 55 grams, and it's going to be a balanced Bey somehow, I guess so. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. And here we go. Yeah guys, as I've mentioned before, it is somehow like almost like balance type, or sometimes you can say stamina type, I guess. Let's shoot. Go, short driver metal. And yeah, both has metal and also MC as well. Oh wow, not bad. And guys, actually this crafted Bey is one of my smallest Beyblade I have ever created. I mean the smallest metal Beyblade, I guess. Go, shoot. Let's go. Left spin versus right spin. Wow. Wow, not bad guys. The Beys are performing samely like the metal Beyblades from Metal series. Looks like the short fiber Metal Beyblade is losing stamina very quickly compared to this my new crafted Beyblade. And yeah guys, the attacks are not that much great in my opinion, but still amazing. And yeah, lost again. Oh hell sight. Let's see guys how it goes. Oh, burst finish. Let's see guys how it goes. Oh, burst finish.